Hello everyone, today I have a review of another Chinese knife, but this time from the SRM company, model 255L-GK. A pouch for storing the knife with the manufacturer's logo. Total length is 19.1 centimeters. Blade length is 8.2 centimeters. Blade thickness is 2.5 millimeters. The steel of the blade is 10 CR50 CO MOV. It's a Chinese analog of VG10 steel. It holds sharpness well. Tempered between 58 to 60 HRC. Finish of the blade. The manufacturer describes it as brush finish. It's similar to satin but more matte. On one side is the company name with the abbreviation extension, stay ready for more. On the other there is the model name 255L-GK and serial number. Opening with double-sided thumb stud or just a lock. The knife runs all ball bearings. The handle scales are made of grey G10. I like scales that are not black, and when I can I choose them. But the version with green G10 and black coated blade is also available. I really like this yellow ring around the pivot with the company logo on it. On the back of the knife you can see an inscription, stay ready for more. And the lock, which is an analog of axis lock. Mechanics like clockwork, perfect. The knife works just great. It makes you want to click all the time. A very interesting stainless steel pocket clip with the manufacturer's logo stamped on it. Reversible. So suitable for left and right-handed users. A brass colored sleeve, so you can thread paracord. In summary, in my opinion, the flagship and one of the best knives from SRM company. Great mechanics, compact size, great comfort of use, good steel, just the perfect PC tool for everyone. That's all in this review, thanks for watching.